I'm leaving the Viral Bells head spa. I just got my little head spa thing. This is what my hair looks like. I had it in like braids, so it's probably, I don't know what it's gonna look like. It's so much buildup. Oh my god. So I already know that people are gonna be like, oh my god, because I mean, obviously I didn't like get it blow dried or straightened or anything like that. I'm gonna be completely honest. I am a very adventurous person to some extent, especially when it comes to like beauty and self-care and stuff like that. And so I you know, a lot of times I'm just like, epic, let me just like go try it, you know. And I already knew that it was going to be a strong likelihood that they would not be able to blow dry my hair, that there would be an issue when it came to my hair.
Your hair, you need to blow dry or no? Cause like if you do have curly hair, when we do blow dry, it's gonna be very frizzy. And if you want if you want doing like blow out a little bit straighter, it's gonna be $20 extra.
No, just blow dry is fine. It's okay if it's poofy. Yeah, thank you for asking. I'm not upset at all. Like, yes, I didn't get my hair blow dried. Yes, my hair definitely does feel locked up right now. If you're black or if you have like really curly coarse hair, then you know what I mean by like it feels locked up. But to be honest, I'm not upset because my hair type is not their specialty. Again, I figured that coming into it, but I really didn't mind because I just really wanted to try the service. And then I also felt like the benefits of going through with the service would outweigh the styling aspect of it, especially because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow.
Actually, you can see you got a lot when you build up around your hair and then follicle, and the next one dandruff is still a lot too. And here's the next one, sensitivity too, because when you do have a lot of dandruff, it's gonna make your scalp sensitivity. And here's the next one, it means hair density. So I think this is like your hair totally covered your like scalp. You cannot see your regularly density. So this part we just skipped. And this one, the last one, it means hair thickness. So for this part, your hair is still good, just like mostly moderate to white hair. This is okay, no need to worry.
Oh, so cutesy. Okay, guys. Yes, I just put my robe on. Perfection.
Something like the products on your scalp, and then to deep clean this gel and then products, okay? And maybe get a little bit of cold feeling.
Okay. It is cold, but it's good. Yeah.
I know.
So what is that?
This is this one.
Oh, Olaplex. Okay, cool. What's that?
Shampoo. So this is the special carbonated water. Gonna help for deep clean your scalp and active follicle. So we're gonna do this one about 8 minutes.
Okay.
Temperature okay for you?
Yes, thank you.
Alright.
So we're gonna do like a scalp exfoliator thing next. So exciting. It smells really good.
Yeah. Very fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Yes. What is this?
This is the hair trimmer for like make your hair more hydrating.
Okay.
And this is the steamer. We just apply this time be like a hair mask for you, and that one is gonna help for your hair a little bit more smooth.
Okay.
So we're gonna steamer it about 5 minutes, and we're just going to blow dry your hair. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I also brought, if you need a detangling hairbrush that works pretty good on my hair if you need it.
Sure.
Do you guys do a lot of like curly hair or like thick hair people, or not really?
Not like not much like your curly.
Yeah.
Have a lot of client with curly hair, but just like wavy.
Yeah,
not
yeah.
That curly. Yeah.
Gotcha.
How did you find the hair?
I found you guys, I think it was on TikTok.
Oh,
And
yeah?
then, yes, and then I saw your Instagram and I was like, let me just go try it. It feels so clean. I'm gonna be like a little poof ball for a minute. But it's okay. I'm used to it. But I brought my unbrushed plus, everybody, because it's like the best brush for like super coarse hair. But let me just check that. Yeah.
you care of your hair?
So I part it and then I brush it with that brush, and I just go in sections.
Section.
Yes.
It's really hard to take care of. You already used it.
Yeah, like it's more difficult after it's like wet and stuff, but then once it's straightened, it's really easy.
Oh, really?
Like once it has heat on it, it's okay. Thank you.
A little bit dry this area and then just separation, right?
Yes, so when you blow dry, do you blow dry like in sections, or do you want to detangle hair then blow dry?
I think it's kind of like, cause like your hair is very curly, and then if I don't do right now, I think after it's gonna be.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But just, I think just make it no water dropping is like okay.
Yes.
Or you need that one would be better in the diffuser?
No, you held this with one hand and then brushed. Yes.
Oh, okay. This very works.
Is it better? Oh, it's like a little better, yeah.
Yeah. There's no water dropping up.
I'm just gonna braid it so I know to
Oh,
keep it in sections.
I seen this step like other client before.
Yeah. Thank you.
Guys, my hair is locked up. The nanometer, so you may feeling a little bit tingling, okay? Frequency gonna help focus bacteria, okay?
So this one is a serum for dandruff?
Yeah.
Okay. All done?
No.
No.
Gonna do one more. And this is the red light machine. It's gonna help for reduce the redness and then oil balance.
Let's see if the scalp has been cleaned. Those are all my little hairs. Oh, way better.
You can see your report here. It's just like very dandruff here, and then this is after, so you can still see the red. It just means your scalp a little bit sensitive already.
Okay.
Yeah, so if maybe keep more clean.
Look at the note. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god. I really enjoyed the experience. It was so relaxing. It was freaking amazing. Mia, I believe, is the person who worked on me. I freaking loved her. She was sweet as pie. Even in terms of like just really trying with my hair, even just trying to blow dry it and brush it, like she was just freaking amazing. So again, I am not tripping. If you have like just maybe like looser curls or straight wavy hair, I feel like this is definitely going to be the place for you. Like 10 out of 10. If you have hair like mine, I would say again 10 out of 10. I mean, go try it, experience it, but just know that you're going to leave possibly looking like this if you choose to leave. She really sat there and she would have tried to really blow dry my hair. We would have been here for hours. Girl, I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna leave. I'll blow dry it at home. I'm gonna detangle it at home. It's no sweat off my back, but Yeah, okay, so I may vlog me getting my hair done tomorrow by Miss Amaisha. Love you guys. Bye.